नमस्कार. सह्याद्री पॉलिटेक्निकमधील मेकॅनिकल डिपार्टमेंटच्या HOD मेक 0108 यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांचे मी स्वागत करतो. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत पॉवर प्लांट इंजिनिअरिंग या सब्जेक्टविषयी सिलॅबस. प्रथमतः आपण पॉवर प्लांट इंजिनिअरिंग एक्झामिनेशन स्कीम जाणून घेऊयात. पॉवर प्लांट इंजिनिअरिंग सब्जेक्ट कोर्स कोड 22566. एक्झामिनेशन स्कीममध्ये थेरी पेपर 70 मार्क्सचा असतो. या थेरी पेपरमध्ये तुम्हाला टोटल 6 चॅप्टर्स आहेत. त्यातील फर्स्ट चॅप्टर इंट्रोडक्शन टू पॉवर प्लांट्स. हा चॅप्टर टोटल 12 मार्क्ससाठी आहे. सेकंड चॅप्टर हाय प्रेशर बॉयलर्स. हा चॅप्टर टोटल 12 मार्क्ससाठी आहे. थर्ड चॅप्टर स्टीम अँड गॅस पॉवर प्लांट्स. हा टॉपिक टोटल 14 मार्क्ससाठी आहे. फोर्थ टॉपिक वेस्ट हीट रिकव्हरी, कोजनरेशन अँड ट्रायजनरेशन. हा टॉपिक टोटल 8 मार्क्ससाठी आहे. फिफ्थ टॉपिक न्यूक्लिअर पॉवर प्लांट्स. हा टोटल 12 मार्क्ससाठी आहे. अँड लास्ट टॉपिक इकॉनॉमिक ॲनालिसिस ऑफ पॉवर प्लांट्स. हा 12 मार्क्ससाठी आहे. हे टोटल 6 टॉपिक्स आहेत. आता आपण फर्स्ट चॅप्टरला स्टार्ट करणार आहोत. आपला फर्स्ट टॉपिक आहे इंट्रोडक्शन टू पॉवर प्लांट. हा टॉपिक टोटल 12 मार्क्ससाठी आहे. ह्या टॉपिकमध्ये आपल्याला नीड्स ऑफ एनर्जी अँड पॉवर बघायचं आहे. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एनर्जी, इंट्रोडक्शन टू पॉवर प्लांट्स, हायड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक पॉवर प्लांट्स अँड डिझेल पॉवर प्लांट्स इन डिटेल. आता आपण फर्स्ट पॉईंटला सुरुवात करतो आहे. नीड्स ऑफ एनर्जी अँड पॉवर. Energy is needed for transportation of human beings. Energy is needed for industrial production in the form of clothes, machines, medicines, polymers, and so on. In general, we may say that energy is needed in every walk of life, which may appear in various forms. Therefore, energy is defined as its capacity to do work in various forms or to produce the dynamic effect in a body. These are the needs of energy. Now, we will see the needs of power. The power may be defined as the rate of flow of energy. The rate of flow of energy. It is produced on the form of mechanical or electric power. The machines and equipments which are used to produce mechanical or electrical power called power plants. For example, steam, nuclear, hydro, diesel and gas turbine power plants. A power plant converts the given raw form of energy into mechanical or electrical form of energy. Power plays an important role in the working of men, whether it is industry, agriculture, transportation, human comfort, etc. This is the needs of energy and power. Now, the next point is Classification of energy. Energy can be classified into several types based on following. First, primary energy sources. Second, secondary energy sources. Third, commercial energy sources. Fourth, non-commercial energy sources. Fifth, renewable energy sources. And the last is non-renewable energy sources. Now we will see in details primary energy sources. Primary energy sources are those that are either found or stored in nature. It is the energy that harvested directly from natural resources. Primary energy is an energy form found in nature that has not been subjected to any human engineering conversion processes. It is the energy contained in raw fuels and other forms of energy received as input to a system. For example, coal is usually put into a coal fired power plant to generate electricity. Second example, wind must be harassed by a wind turbine before it can generate electricity. Now, second is secondary energy source. Secondary energy sources are derived from primary sources in a form of either final fuel or energy supply. Secondary energy is a carrier of energy such as electricity. These are produced by conversion from a primary energy sources. For example, crude oil is refined and converted in products like petrol, diesel, kerosene. Now, the next classification is commercial energy sources. The energy sources that are available in the market for a definite price are known as commercial energy. The most important form of commercial energy are electricity, coal, and refined petroleum products. Commercial energy forms the basis of industrial, agricultural, transport, etc. In modern world, fuels are predominant sources not only for economic production but also for many household tasks of general population. Now, the examples of commercial energy sources are electricity, coal, oil, natural gas, etc. Now, the next point is non-commercial energy. The energy sources that are not available in the commercial market for a price are called as non-commercial energy sources. These are also called as traditional fuels. Non-commercial energy sources include fuels such as firewood, cattle dung, and agricultural waste, which are traditionally gathered and not bought at a price used in rural household. The example of non-commercial energy sources is firewood, agro waste from rural areas. These are the examples. Now, the next point is renewable energy sources. Renewable energy is energy obtained from sources that are essentially inexhaustible. Renewable energies sources include wind power, solar power, geothermal energy, tidal power, and hydroelectric power. The most important feature of renewable energy is that it can be harnessed without the release of harmful pollutants. Renewable energy provides energy in four important areas. The first one is electricity generation, second, air and water heating cooling, third, transportation, and the fourth is rural energy services. These are the four renewable energy. Okay. Now the examples of renewable energy sources are solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy. The next point is non-renewable energy sources. Non-renewable energy is the energy obtained from the conventional fossil fuels which are exhaustible today or tomorrow with time. A non-renewable resource is a resource that does not renew itself at a sufficient rate. For example, coal, oil, gas, hydropower, diesel power. These are the classification of energy. Now we will see the questions related to this. The first question is, what is the need of energy and power? Second, explain classification of energy. These are the two questions. Now, in the next slide, we will see the main energy sources and introduction to power plant. So, thank you.